Hello student, here exercise among optical isomers, here chiral and achiral compound as well as meso compounds conditions, and select them which is meso and which is in enantiomer. Different type of structure are given, you write it down. Okay, and for meso compounds, what are the condition? All of them are having chiral center, two chiral center, this and this, all or A, B, C, D, these structure are having two chiral center. So but here see the compound which is having two chiral carbon but having plane of symmetry, at that time the molecule is meso compound, it will become achiral. Okay, when there will be no plane of symmetry, then it will be a chiral compound. So although two chiral carbon, but still molecule is achiral, optically inactive because of internal compensation. Write down each and every point, my child. Okay, now and we will discuss about A. Here CH3 at the top and here CH3 on the this side. So clockwise rotation will give you this structure, so that CH3 is coming into the bottom. Now after rotation we will see that OH here they are on the opposite side. See, there is no plane of symmetry, so it is enantiomer, so it is optically active. Okay, it is optically active in enantiomer. You write on spelling. Now in case of B, here OH is on the top and OH on the bottom. So this, when we will pass this plane of symmetry line, we will see that they are equal half. So it is a meso compound. So it's okay, it's meso compound, optically inactive. Two chiral carbon, two equal halves on plane of symmetry, and molecule will be a chiral molecule. I told you the reason, because there will be no optically active and they cancel each other's rotation. Now clockwise rotate this here, see CH3 here and CH3 at the top. At that moment we have to see for the watching whether it is meso compound or not. We rotate this, so CH3 will be at the bottom and we will get new structure. CH3 is the bottom, OH on this side and H on this side. So there is also plane of symmetry, it is a meso compound. And so B and C are meso compound, A is enantiomer, we will go for D. D again, see here OH on to get meso compound. What we will do? We will rotate it anti-clockwise. So OH will come in here, H is here, CH3 is here. So oh my god, it is meso compound because exactly it will come cut into two equal halves. So there is plane of symmetry. So this is meso compound. Clear to you? So B is meso compound, C B is meso compound, C D is meso compound, and C is also meso compound. Only optically active is enantiomer, is this is enantiomer. Okay, so there is no plane of symmetry. Thank you for watching. It is very important. Write down everything and every explanation. Thank you for watching. God bless you.